Hey fam, and we back for another grocery haul. School is out, which means the kids are going to be in the house all day long trying to eat up all the food. Well, no, not try, but they will be eating up all the food. So I had to go to the store and go ahead and get some things to keep in the house. Some easy meals. I'm going to go ahead and prep some things, some snacks, some breakfast. You already know. So hopefully y'all haven't seen the grocery haul from us in a while, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button. We got some good things, some things you may never seen before, and to give you some inspiration, you know, for your kids or for yourself. Okay, so let me show you what we got. So I'm gonna be moving fast, you guys, because I gotta get this stuff in the freezer. Here's some drink, some pink lemonade, some spaghetti and meatballs for the little one, some buttermilk pancakes. These are the mini ones. I never bought this pack before, so this will be something quick for them to heat up in the morning. I got some breakfast meat to go with that, so hopefully they like those. It's 60 in the bag. We'll see how long those last. The kids do like okra, surprisingly. We just got to make sure we cook it right, get all that slime off of it, if you know what I mean. Dang it. That's what I forgot to get, was some dang on tomatoes. I was going to make some okra and tomatoes. I'm going to have to make a list. And whatever I see that I forgot today, I'm going to have to just get it at the store. All right, so with the okra, I also bought a bag of butternut squash. Not saying that I'm going to cook it together, but this is a good switch up. I'm tired of pretty much buying, you know, the regular vegetables all the time. The corn, the green beans, the broccoli. So I wanted to switch it up today and get some squash and some okra. Y'all, my kids love these little hot Cheeto concoctions that they be coming out with, you know, to get your money. So this one is the Flaming Hot. I bought 2 of these. The other one is around here somewhere. And some hummus. They were on sale. And a lot of these things I did get on sale today. Y'all already know I try to look for them deals any chance that I can get. So that's what happened. This is some pine rose hummus, and got some chips and some crackers to eat with this. And then this one is the roasted garlic. I took a break from buying these shrimps. So I took a break from buying these salmons because we was actually weighing these things out, and they are really good. Hopefully you guys have seen our video where we make these and show you how to cook them. If you can't afford to get the fresh salmon right now, which can run you about $20 for a slab, then you can get this affordable one right here. It comes in what comes 2 in the pack, and they're about $8, but we love them. They're really good. Okay, so go ahead and watch that video if you see these in the store and want to know how to make them. Some popcorn shrimp. The kids love popcorn shrimp, so they can have that for lunch or so. And some shrimp. Surprisingly, these shrimps were $10.99. They're the big ones. I haven't really been buying the shrimps because they just been too dang on expensive, y'all. Like, look, everything is just pretty much overpriced right now. And I'm like, if it's not on sale, then look, I'm not about to be buying it. Forget paying full price. I don't even like to pay full price online, let alone having to pay full price in the store. Okay, now this is a dinner idea. I don't normally get these little beef chunks, but so I figured we can use this to make some meat for dinner, like a beef stew type situation. Not a beef stew, but a beef and gravy with a baked potato on the side and some vegetables. So this is some what is this? It's the stew meat, but we're not gonna put all the stuff in it like a beef stew. So I'm gonna be putting these things away as I talk to y'all. Now, a lot of the times to make space in our freezer, we're gonna have to take things out the box because you're not gonna have no space if you pile everything in there, especially if you don't have a deep freezer. Okay. Some more lunch things. Do y'all like these pot pies that come like this? What's your favorite flavor? So I got 2 chickens, I think, and a couple of beef ones. Some fish sticks. Daddy loves some fish sticks. And I bought the kids some tuna fish, so that way they can make some tuna fish and eat with these crackers if they want to. This is the garlic butter flavor. These are real good if y'all have not tried these yet. Some cherries. These are the fresh cherries. Now, these are the ones that got the pits in it, but they are delicious. And these things are very addictive, so you cannot have one. apple sauce, 2 different flavors, some cinnamon and the strawberry flavor. So this is the cinnamon and the strawberry.
Oh, I like it.
For the fish sticks, you know, they always talk about me because I never get things that match at the store or end up forgetting it because I'm not the sauce person. They are. They love sauce, and I just be forgetting to pick it up. But today, I did remember to get the cocktail sauce with the tartar sauce. Not just one without the other. And then some sour cream because I told y'all we're going to be making those baked potatoes. I did buy a bag of potatoes. The kids can use this fry mix right here to make their chicken tenders. So like I said, I'm going to show y'all the chicken breast that I got that they're going to use this for. Yogurt, we buy these all the time, but I actually haven't bought these in a while. Bread. Okay, and some cereal. This is a staple we have to keep in our house. This was on sale today, and it's actually new. Well, I don't really know if it's new, but I never seen it. It's chocolate frosted flakes. They'll let me know how they taste, and a box of Fruit Loops. So next, we are moving right along, just trying to create some space. London likes salads, so I normally buy these like pre-made salads for her. They already are in the bowl. You just put it together, you know. I got the kicking chicken and the Caesar salad one. This is the bag of potatoes, the yellow bag of potatoes. Okay, so Daddy likes the sandwich meat from the deli because not only is it fresh, but you can actually get it cheaper than getting your the sandwich meat out the container. This sandwich meat right here was $5.60 for a half a pound. And if I was to just got the regular sandwich meat by itself, like in the sandwich meat aisle, the cheapest that it would have been was like $6.99 a pack. This one is the turkey, and this one was $5.85. This one is ham. Okay, and also we get the cheese from the deli as well. So this cheese, some Vermont cheddar cheese, was $4.48. The cheese can also be a lot cheaper from the deli, and then we get it. And then another thing is we get it thin. So if you don't get your pieces real thick, then that's another way to cut down the cost at the deli. Have them shave it down thin, and you'll come out cheap every time versus just going in the regular sandwich aisle and getting the meat that way. Okay, so more fruit, some bananas. The kids like to eat these Insta grits in the morning, so with their breakfast meat or, you know, eggs or so, they'll have that. Had to get some more onions, some coffee creamer. So here's the other 2 pot pies, the beef flavor. I really didn't know anything about the beef flavor ones until Daddy used to ask for them. I never even had these growing up. It was always just the chicken or the turkey ones. I never started seeing these until we started grocery shopping for ourselves. So maybe they've always been around and, you know, we just never grew up eating them, or are they new? Let me know, y'all. Do y'all eat the beef ones or just the chicken or the turkey? Now, these were on sale. This is something that you can have for dinner or for lunch. So these are the Stouffer's Meat Lovers Lasagna. They were on sale for 2 for $8. So I picked up those. You never know. They may want to eat that for lunch or for dinner. Butter. And I got 2 of these. Well, actually, one of... Okay, now we love curry in the house. I have some chicken thighs in the freezer. So I just picked up that curry. This is 1 jar. And then there's another one around here somewhere. Popsicles. And a good little quick lunch that's always good to have in the house. And some beef and bean burritos. They're about 8 in the pack. You just put these and warm them up. And these be actually busting, y'all. Okay. Twan loves some toaster strudels. And this is the raspberry one. So he either eat these for like a late night snack or just whenever. Here's the other container of that mac and cheese that I was telling you about. I did buy some shredded cheese. That could be for the potatoes or whatever else they may need. Some bacon. And then 2 packs of these breakfast sausages. They were on sale, so I picked up 2 of those. Ketchup. oyster sauce. So I'm going to be using this in that meat that I showed y'all a little while ago. You can never have enough mayonnaise, especially when you have bread and sandwich meat in the house. So we always need to stock up. And I did buy some more squash. Now we did just do another squash video. By the time you see this one, the newer one has the cracker topping and some other stuff in it. So just wait, y'all gonna see that. Now this right here, I just picked this little thing up. This is for Porter. I ain't even gonna lie to you, I just seen this in the aisle. You know how they be having all the stuff in the middle of the aisle right before you get to checkout, and I seen the dang on Minnie Mouse on it. I don't even really know. I guess it's like juice, and it says it's 75% less sugar. So I picked up 2 of those. Whenever I see like little fun stuff, I will grab it here and there. So I'll taste this before I actually give it to her, just to make sure what it really is. And it's not just looking cute because of the bottle. I did grab another bottle of syrup. That way we can have some for the pancakes or anything else for in the morning. And then right there where our butter is, they normally have these little chocolate chip cookies. This is the dough. I just bought some recently and they like those. So I bought 2 more packs because they were on sale. They also had the sugar cookie one, but they like the chocolate chip ones better. So I picked up 2 of those. So you can't have a house full of kids and not have the staple items like French fries. Do your kids like French fries or no? Alright, so Porter's pointing to the Sour Patch Kids. Alright, so normally I don't pick up these little Sour Patch Kids or these candies, but today I just went on ahead and grabbed it because it just give them something to snack on in the house. And then some more juice. So the first one was pink lemonade. This is the regular lemonade. And these are the chicken breasts that I picked up today. I had to sift through. This was actually the cheapest pack, believe it or not, at the store today. The most expensive one that I seen was $22, and this pack was $16. So you can only imagine when I seen this pack in there versus the other ones. I was like, look, this is getting ridiculous. Here's the other spaghetti and meatball. They do like to eat this queso on pretty much everything. And then the last time I had bought pickles, the kids was like, well, you don't never buy pickles. So I ended up getting 2 jars today because they was on sale. And you can eat those with your sandwiches.
Pickle sandwiches.
Yeah, ew. Okay, so here's the 2 jars of curry that I was telling you about. Here's one right here. And then here's the other one. If you need like a quick dinner, something that tastes so good and it tastes like it was made in hours, these jars, we talk about these all the time, and we actually have a video up right now where we use these. You can easily take you some chicken breast or whatever other meat you have in the freezer, add it with this sauce right here, put it on top of some rice. Y'all, you're gonna taste like it's gonna taste like it came right from the restaurant, like you went out to eat. Trust me, trust us. All right, this is some French onion soup mix. I'm going to use this for the meat that I showed you in the beginning. I got with some eggs, and we needed some milk for cooking and for cereal. Okay, a couple more snacks. I just went to the store the last time and I bought some sandwich meat, and I didn't buy any chips. And Daddy was like, well, how you going to get the sandwich meat and not buy the chips? So I bought the chips. And Emmy loves these little oatmeal cream pies. So they had the big box today. So I went on ahead and picked up the big box. And they like marshmallows. So I don't know. I just picked up these little zebra cakes. They'll see if they like them or not. Now I didn't buy a lot of meat because we already have some in the freezer. We really just needed some like knick-knack stuff, some lunch things, some breakfast things, some filler. And yeah, that was a lot, right? So I didn't buy a lot of meat because we already have that in the freezer. Just needed some things to go with it, and especially, you know, for lunch and breakfast. And then depending on what time they get up, they normally get up late anyway, which means it's already like brunch, breakfast into lunch most of the time. So on a good day, they really probably only eat like 1 or 2 big meals per day. And then, you know, the snacking in between. But I just went and spent about $300 at this grocery store. So we want to make sure it gets monitored and not get ran through, because nobody's about to be going to the store every 2 minutes. But go ahead and comment down below. I'm going to show y'all at the end how I cut up the chicken breast. You know, again, they can use that for chicken tenders or whatever else instead of having to buy the bag of chicken tenders. Why not just make some, you know, homemade ones, and then they can just fry it up that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and organize this refrigerator, this freezer, get everything out these boxes and organize. That's one thing when you go grocery shopping, you just got to get it right, okay? And you know, with the kids also been out of school, that means there's things that's going to be out of place. Go ahead and clean your refrigerator out. If you have any old food or just little half-eaten stuff, make sure y'all go ahead and clean that out and stay on top of it, okay? But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you keep watching. Again, I'm gonna show you all of the things that I prepped at the end, and let us know what type of meals you have for your kids during the summertime. You know, it's summertime. You're not gonna be cooking every day, all day, but you want to have some things where they can just easily have access to, that you don't have to have that stove running all day, but at the same time you don't want to have meals that's going to be microwavable only. So yeah. All right, so I got all the chicken breasts cut up, y'all, into chicken tender slices like this. Now the kids talk about now they about to want some chicken tenders for dinner. So what I'm gonna do is, I have some parchment paper right here. All right, so depending on how many kids you have and how many tenders you think they're gonna eat at one time, you can kind of like go from there. So okay, so what you have right here is like a portion size worth of chicken tenders. So once they are ready to eat this, you can just take this out, unthaw it. So we're gonna wrap it up just like this. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up just like that. So this is like 1 serving's worth of chicken tenders. You have a lot left here. You're gonna keep doing that until you get all of it wrapped up. Okay, so with all that chicken, this is a lot right here where they can go ahead and fry up tonight. Now you don't have to clean it when you're prepping it, but you do need to clean it, you know, before you cook it. So these are some good sized chicken tender pieces right here. They're going to go ahead and eat this portion tonight. And then I was able to get 3 good healthy portions right here. And you want to separate it because you don't want them to have to take out the whole bag of the chicken tenders, unthaw it, and then have to put it back in the freezer. Whereas you can just take one of these bundles, they can unthaw it, or you can unthaw it, put the chicken to the side, and then you can just go ahead and fry it up, and then boom, there you go. Okay, so just try to think smarter, not harder, when prepping your meals for your kids. So I got everything bagged up, and I wrote on here chicken tenders. I tried to write the date, but the dang on bag got wet. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You found this inspirational. As always, go ahead and make sure you hit that like, that share, that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all back for the next video, because you never know what's coming up next. Okay, see y'all later. Bye.